You've heard it everywhere: AI will replace accountants. And honestly, it's causing panic among ACCA students worldwide. But here's the blunt truth: AI will not replace accountants. At least, not the ones who understand judgment, ethics, and interpretation. I'm Education Bench, and for years I've been guiding ACCA students across the UK, USA, and other exam hubs to not just pass, but dominate their exams. Today, I'm going to break down exactly how AI is impacting accounting, which parts of your ACCA syllabus are truly exam relevant in this AI era, and why mastering this knowledge could give you a competitive edge not only in exams but in your career. And trust me, what I'm about to reveal isn't in your standard textbooks. I've spent years teaching ACCA students who are not just worried about passing exams, but also about the future of their careers. Recently, as AI tools like ChatGPT, Xero, QuickBooks, and other automation software have advanced, there's been a lot of speculation: will machines make accountants obsolete? The reality is more nuanced. AI is not here to replace human accountants entirely. It's here to handle repetitive, mechanical tasks and allow humans to focus on judgment, strategy, and ethical decision-making. In fact, this is where your ACCA exams are most relevant. Exams don't test how fast you can process numbers. They test your ability to interpret, analyze, and explain outcomes. Let's look at the current state of AI in accounting. Across bookkeeping and auditing, AI is already handling repetitive tasks. Reconciliations, invoice processing, and routine financial statements are increasingly automated. In predictive analytics, forecasting, and scenario planning, AI can provide models and insights, but it cannot explain reasoning or make judgment-based decisions. For ACCA students, this means that F1, F3, and F7 syllabus topics, accounting principles, ethics, and professional judgment, remain essential. Meanwhile, P2, P3, F8, and F9 students are encountering AI-assisted analytics more frequently in real-world scenarios, making exam questions that include judgment and interpretation more relevant than ever. Consider this case: a mid-tier UK accounting firm decided to automate its entire month-end reporting using AI. The system flawlessly caught numerical errors, but it failed to recognize unusual transactions and subtle discrepancies that violated compliance rules. The firm had to rehire accountants to review AI outputs and make judgment calls. This illustrates a fundamental point: AI is a tool, not a replacement, and human insight is irreplaceable in both exams and real-world practice. Students who understand this distinction gain a clear edge because ACCA exams test human judgment and interpretation, exactly where AI cannot score marks. When it comes to exam preparation, understanding the exam-centric implications of AI is critical. Many students make two common mistakes. First, they believe AI will replace accountants. False. Exams focus on human judgment, ethics, and professional reasoning. Second, they assume that AI makes manual accounting work obsolete. Partially true for repetitive calculations, but completely false in terms of understanding errors, ethical dilemmas, and exceptions. For ACCA exams, F1 to F3 students must focus on internal controls and ethics, because these are human-centric skills that AI cannot replicate. F7 to F9 students should understand that while AI can generate financial statements, calculate ratios, and perform budgeting, full marks in exams come from your ability to interpret results, explain variances, and link outcomes to business context. Similarly, P2 and P3 students can use AI for analytics and reports, but marks are earned through human reasoning, explanation, and professional judgment. A key exam tip: whenever a question references accounting software, automation, or AI, always highlight what a human accountant would do differently. Explain judgment, ethics, and interpretation, because that's where the marks are. Let me give you a mini case study. One ACCA student I mentored learned AI tools alongside F7 and P2 syllabus preparation. He could generate 80% of reports through AI, but he scored top marks in exams and secured a Big Four role because he analyzed anomalies, explained variances, and applied judgment where AI would have failed. Another student tried relying solely on AI for practice problems. During the actual exam, he could calculate numbers but lost marks on interpreting the outcomes because he didn't practice human-centric reasoning. These real examples show that your edge as an ACCA student lies not in using AI blindly, but in combining AI insights with judgment, ethics, and interpretation. AI poses both threats and opportunities. The threat is clear: routine bookkeeping and data processing roles are increasingly automated, which means future accountants must adapt to higher-order skills. AI adoption demands that accountants become tech-savvy and capable of analyzing AI outputs critically. But the opportunity is equally compelling. ACCA students who focus on interpretation, ethics, professional judgment, communication, and advanced reporting will become irreplaceable. Understanding AI outputs, detecting anomalies, and providing explanations that machines cannot produce is where exams and careers overlap. For instance, during an F9 exam question on variance analysis, AI could calculate figures instantly, but only students who explained operational reasons and financial impact scored full marks. This shows the exact skill gap AI cannot fill and exams will always test. How should you prepare smartly for exams in this AI era? First, emphasize human judgment skills in ethics, internal controls, and financial analysis. Understand how accounting principles and professional standards guide decisions beyond raw calculations. Second, practice AI-assisted problem-solving, but always explain reasoning manually. Third, use past papers to identify questions where automation would fail. These are often scenario-based questions where judgment, ethics, or interpretation determines marks. Fourth, develop advanced reporting and analysis skills. P2 and P3 exams increasingly reward students who can interpret AI-generated insights and explain decisions. Remember, exams don't test AI, they test you. Another practical example: a student preparing for F7 worked with automated financial statements to simulate real-world reporting. She then practiced variance analysis, error detection, and ethical decision-making manually. On the exam, when faced with a multi-step question involving financial ratios and budgeting, she could interpret AI-generated calculations and explain the impact on business strategy, scoring full marks while peers relying only on formulas missed crucial judgment points. Similarly, in P3, students who practiced AI-assisted scenario planning and then manually analyzed the results outperformed peers, showing that combining AI with human reasoning is the ultimate exam strategy. It's also important to note that the Big Four and top accounting firms are using AI extensively, but they still value accountants who can interpret AI outputs, explain anomalies, and provide strategic recommendations. During internships or job applications, students familiar with AI will be ahead. But only those who pair technical skills with judgment and ethical understanding will excel. For example, Deloitte uses AI to process routine audit entries, but human auditors are responsible for verifying results, making judgment calls, and addressing unusual transactions. Students who understand this distinction will naturally translate these insights into exam success. Here's a targeted strategy for ACCA students facing exams in an AI-influenced accounting world. Focus on human judgment in scenario-based questions. Always explain your reasoning, not just the numbers. When dealing with ethics, internal controls, or advanced reporting, emphasize professional judgment over automated calculations. For questions involving forecasting, budgeting, or scenario analysis, understand the AI-assisted outputs but articulate the business context and interpretation. Practicing these techniques will help you achieve full marks in exams, because ACCA rewards judgment, ethics, and reasoning, the very areas AI cannot master. Let's highlight a few syllabus-specific approaches. F1 F3 students, ethics, internal controls, and governance questions require reasoning and evaluation. AI will not provide these answers in exam conditions. F7 F9 students, financial statements, ratios, budgeting, and variance analysis can be generated by AI, but only human interpretation secures full marks. P2 P3 students, advanced reporting, performance evaluation, and strategic analysis increasingly intersect with AI analytics. Practicing scenario-based questions and interpreting AI-generated results is critical for both exams and future career readiness. F8 and F9 students will especially benefit by understanding how to explain variances, detect anomalies, and recommend corrective action. These are the exact skills that exams test, and AI cannot replace them. Another mini case study: a student studying for P2 used AI to simulate performance reports across multiple departments. He then manually analyzed the data, highlighting discrepancies, assessing risk exposure, and explaining results according to professional standards. In the exam, the question mirrored the scenario he practiced. He was able to write a clear, judgment-based answer, scoring top marks, while peers who relied solely on automated calculations could not provide meaningful interpretation. This is proof that integrating AI as a tool, while prioritizing human reasoning, is the winning formula. In conclusion, the narrative that AI will replace accountants is misleading for ACCA students. Exams are designed to reward judgment, ethics, interpretation, and reasoning, all human skills that AI cannot master. AI is a tool to assist, not a replacement. Your competitive advantage lies in mastering these human-centric skills, practicing scenario-based questions, and understanding how to interpret AI-generated outputs within the context of ACCA exams. Your exams will never grade AI, they will grade you. By focusing on judgment-heavy questions, ethical reasoning, and interpretation, you ensure both exam success and career readiness in a rapidly evolving accounting landscape. If you found this breakdown valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because Education Bench will keep bringing you every strategy, insight, and exam hack to dominate ACCA in the age of AI. Remember, AI cannot replace your judgment, it can only challenge you to think smarter. Equip yourself with the skills that exams reward, practice rigorously, and use AI as a tool to enhance your learning, not as a shortcut. Your success depends on your interpretation, reasoning, and professional insight. This is what sets top ACCA performers apart from the rest.